If you're looking for a Defender commercial through your business and you want something with 6 seats, this might just be the vehicle for you. This is a 2022 on a 72 registration, Land Rover Defender 110 hardtop, the D250 3-litre diesel, and it's the HSE, the top model. The best one to go for with all the best options and extras. But 6 total seats, so jump seat in the middle and the rear seat conversion, giving this a real edge on other Defenders on the market. Great spec, Tasman Blue metallic, really trendy colour. That's coming back in now. It's a bit of a homage to the old Defender. Really nice colour, paired up with the white roof. I think they called it the County Pack. And it looks great with a bit of a heritage twist to a modern vehicle. So gloss black Defender badge into the bonnet. We've got gloss black checker plate. The better lights being a HSE. Gloss black front grille, 19-inch factory wheels in gloss black, factory side steps, white contrast roof and sides. It's quite rare in a 110. I've never had a 110 in Tasman with a white roof, mainly always 90 vans. So to find a top spec HSE in this colourway with all the extras is really rare to find. Factory roof rails, front and rear classic mud flaps. We've got the keyless entry on the door there, that little button, key in your pocket, it'll open for you. Electric seats, lumbar support, so you can see the jump seat there in leather, and this has got heated and ventilated cooling seats. Cold climate pack, so heated steering wheel, heated washer jets. I'll show you on the door here, memory seats, Meridian audio, all options on a Defender, part of the HSE. They're very nice to have. At this age, they didn't all have the big screen, so it's got the large screen. And up here, the clear sight camera. So if I just flick that back to a mirror onto the camera at the back. Full digital cockpit. This has done 26,500 miles. So a few of these had the analog clocks at this age. This has got the full digital speedo. Heated cooled seats, jump seat in the front, clear sight camera. Really good spec. There's not one I've seen like this available today. In the back, rear seat conversion, 3 total seats. And then we've also got the jump seat. This folds down, obviously it's in an upright position at the moment, but that folds down to a full-size armrest with cup holders. And extra charging ports there for phones and bits like that. So yeah, 6-seat commercial Defender, HSE, value for money where this will be priced at. It looks superb. So around the back, colour-coded wheel cover. You might have already seen we've got the electric deployable tow bar, which is currently out. I'm just going to put it back in and show you how that works. And plenty of load space on a 110 commercial. We've got the underfloor storage here still. The seats are up. We've still got a massive boot, but the seats can fold down even further to almost flat to give you a full-size van. So I'll click that button there, the electric tow bar will just pop in. I'll give that a few seconds, that will go in, there we go. And that's now stowed away. So really expensive option, nice to have. It can't really be retrofitted, so if it's got it, it's got it. If it hasn't, it hasn't. So very nice option, the electric tow bar. I'll just show you then back to the rear seats there. So yeah, they fold almost flat, which gives you then either a 3-seat van or a 2-seat van. You can have a 5-seat, a 6-seat, a 2-seat or a 3-seat. So really versatile, practical Defender. It's had its service done at Land Rover Specialist Garage, registered online on the Land Rover online service history. So yeah, really nice Defender 110 hardtop commercial D250 HSE with 6 total seats. Great colour, great spec. And if you're not keen on the styling and you wanted this to a bit of a more bespoke touch like we offer on our other Defenders, let me know. We can fully customise this to however you like, i.e. paint the roof black, the sides and a full kit, wide arches, 22s, the light pod, all the vents and bits like that we do. We can do it to this one if you want. So give us a call, 0777 111 2040. All the details on www.ma-sv.co.uk. Thank you for watching.